Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that affects all of us, health tech. From gene editing to wearable devices, science is changing how we stay healthy. Let's dive into 5 futuristic health technologies that will blow your mind. First up, CRISPR. This revolutionary tool lets scientists edit DNA to cure genetic diseases. It's like a molecular scissors that can cut out bad genes and replace them with healthy ones. Next, wearable health monitors. Devices like smartwatches and fitness trackers can now monitor your heart rate, sleep patterns, and even blood sugar levels in real time. And then there's 3D printed organs. Scientists are working on printing organs like kidneys and hearts using a patient's own cells. This could eliminate the need for organ donors in the future. But wait, there's more. mRNA vaccines, like the ones used for COVID-19, are being developed for other diseases like cancer and HIV. And nanobots, tiny robots that can deliver drugs directly to your cells, are being tested for targeted cancer treatments. These breakthroughs could save millions of lives. Which one do you think is the coolest? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more life-changing tech content. See you in the next video.